The Xiaomi Mi TV. Now, this is something we've all been waiting for years. In fact, every time I've met with someone from Xiaomi, the conversation's kinda gone, "Hey, how are you? Is the Mi TV coming?" And now it's finally here. So let's now watch Sundar struggle to take it out of the giant box and take a close look at it. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and today we're gonna unbox the 55-inch edition of the 4K HDR capable Xiaomi Mi TV. You guys excited? Well, kick that excitement up a notch, for we have a giveaway running for you. Here's a card to that video along with the link in the description below. So while you're down there, hit that bell icon, the little one once you subscribe, the one you see. Let's now get to the unboxing. Well, the Mi TV comes in a giant box with some plastic locks keeping the TV safe. Unlock those, then you get to open the box itself. After pulling out mountains of bubble wrap and styrofoam, we finally get to see the TV. It looks incredible, but we'll get to that later. First, here's the remote, simple and minimalistic. In fact, that seems to be the theme for this entire TV. These are the stands, quite sturdy and heavy. They have to support the weight of such a ginormous panel, right? So let's turn the TV on now. The Mi TV is exceptionally thin. In fact, at its thinnest, the panel is just 4.9 millimeters. Let's now check out the ports on this guy. They're tucked away at the back. We have the usual ports for audio-video input. There's one for optical audio, and then there is an antenna should you want to connect it and watch Doordarshan. You probably are not gonna, but it is nice when a company provides all the options. Oh, and of course, there's the Ethernet jack. There's built-in support for 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi as well. Moving on to the right of those, we have 3 HDMI ports along with 2 USB ports. I'd have loved to have them both be USB 3.0, but sadly only one is. But it is kinda understandable given that some accessories, especially for TVs, might have trouble with USB 3, so Xiaomi's kind of played it safe here. Now underneath the TV, we have a clickable power button. So that about wraps it up for the TV, the placements and all that. The remote, as you saw earlier, is pretty simple. We have a clickable center button, 4-way nav button around it. Below we have the regular Android navigation keys. It's kind of weird to see the home key to the left. We're so used to the home key being at the center, but over here the home key is to the left and the back key is to the center. So that weirdness. So looking further below that weirdness, we've got the volume rocker. So enough with all this. I'm pretty sure most of you are dying to know how the actual panel is. Well, this is a 4K panel, which means a resolution of 3840 by 2160. That coupled with HDR support means that the display quality is phenomenal. It's worth noting that there is HDR support too, and the display quality looks great. This is an LED panel and we couldn't notice any light bleeding. The dark inky blacks and punchy colors should make for an amazing video watching experience. The speakers sound quite nice. It seems like there is a setup of 4 speakers with a subwoofer. Impressive, the sheer volume and bass level that Xiaomi has managed to pack into this one. Like I said, it's impressive. We're gonna have fun testing it out. Talking about things we're going to be testing, the smart interface. Xiaomi have designed a special interface called Patchwall. Initial impressions, it seems like a content aggregator that has quite a wide selection of regional as well as English content. Sunilive and Hungama come preloaded with the TV, and there is also an option to install other apps. Xiaomi is working closely with a lot of content providers in India to make sure this adds value. Now here's a fun fact, the interface you are seeing is in fact a very heavily modified version of Android 6.0 Marshmallow. This is what Xiaomi is using on the Mi TV 4. It also lets you check out your DTH program info and directly jump to the channel where whatever you want's playing. Powering all of this is a quad-core RAM logic processor that has been coupled with 2 gigs of RAM and 8 gigs of storage. Now we're gonna need to spend more time with this TV before talking a lot more about the smart user experience. For me personally, I'm not really impressed over here. It's Android 6.0, but then you look at the competition, TCL's got Android 5.1, Voo TV, the one I actually paid and bought, the one that I really absolutely adore, has the Opera store. The smart experience is barring. When I was at my mom's place, she had a curved Samsung 55-incher. That had a reasonably fast smart interface, and I've seen LG's WebOS feel smart enough. But then again, they don't have all the app support that you get with Android. So for me, the smart experience on a TV doesn't really matter. That's just my personal opinion. I feel a 3K Fire TV stick can just about make any TV smart. And if you're going to be dropping around 40,000 to in case of the Woo, up to 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs for a TV, spending another 3K extra shouldn't be a deal breaker, right? So I personally don't think I should give a lot of I will still be talking a lot more about the smart experience on the TV after I've spent time with it. But do you think I should focus on it a lot, or do you agree with what I say that something a 3K Fire TV stick or a Chromecast can fix? Do not focus a lot of time on it, Ash. Just focus on the panel, focus on how you think it works and all that stuff. So let me know what you think in the comments below. So what I do care about is the quality of the display, and Xiaomi frankly seems to have nailed it here. Another thing that I do actually care about is the price, but since we are covering this too under embargo, we don't have a handle on the pricing. But if I were to hazard a guess, I'd expect this TV to come in under 45k, around 45k at least, which would kind of make it about 5,000 rupees cheap than competitors like Woo. Anyway, once we know the official pricing, we'll let you know via the description below. And talking about the description below, that is where you'd find this little like button. Click that if you like the video, subscribe, turn on notifications. So what do you guys think about the Mi TV? Love it, hate it, don't care? Let us know all about that in the comments below. Also, do let me know what other videos about the Mi TV would you like to see. So I guess that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, this here's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.